This is the shocking moment a mother's best friend steals cash and rifles through her 8-year-old son's wallet in CCTV setup after £1,390 went missing from her home. Samantha Robson, 39, from Macclesfield, Cheshire, met Tanya Sellars in 2013 when she sat a childminder for her 2-year-old son Ewan. The pair became good friends, and Ms Robson eventually trusted Sellars with a key to her house. But at the start of 2017, they noticed money going missing. Self-employed hairdresser Samantha and husband Mark, 38, were so worried about the missing money, they installed CCTV cameras inside their own home. Reviewing the footage in July 2017, they were shocked to discover Sellars using her key to creep inside their home and rifling through their son's wallet in search of cash. Ms Robson, who claims Sellars stole £1,390 in total, said, "We met when I was looking for a childminder. He had just moved in 50 yards away from me, so it was really convenient." "We became good friends and would go walking together and babysit for each other. I used to breed Persian cats, and she offered to check on them for me while I was at work, so I gave her a key to the house." "When money started going missing, it never occurred to me that it would be going from the house. I thought it must be while I was at work." The shock footage shows Sellars searching the living room area of the property for cash and eventually rifling through Ms Robson's son's wallet. As she does do, the Robson family cats leap up and down the nearby sofas, presumably thinking Sellars had come round to feed them. Ms Robson continued, "I even confided in her about the money going missing, and she encouraged me to leave my job, saying I couldn't work somewhere with a potential thief." "When we checked the cameras, I couldn't breathe when I saw her face on the screen. We watched her as she rifled through our son's wallet. I was just so upset I felt sick." "I was supposed to be going on a walk with her the next day, but I just pretended I was ill. Our children go to the same school, and I couldn't even take my kids to school because I knew I would see her." Ms Robson said that she and her husband, an electrician, realized money was going missing from the house safe when the amount of money they had deposited into specific cash wallets was significantly less than what they stored in the safe. The couple went to the police with the shocking footage, and Sellars was arrested in July 2017, appearing in court for the first time the following month. Sellars pleaded guilty to 3 counts of burglary and 1 count of theft in March 2018 at Liverpool Crown Court. She had earlier been found guilty of 1 further count of burglary in August 2017. Ms Robson is now speaking out for the first time to warn the public. The mother of three said, "We only knew exactly how much was in each wallet because they all had labels on for specific things. We regularly put money away in the safe because I'm self-employed, so that's how I would save up for holidays or the kids' birthdays." After the money started going missing, Mark pointed out that it had to be someone we knew who had access to our home, so we had cameras fitted. It made it even worse that she was taking money she knew was for the children's birthdays or our holidays. It will be 2 years ago in July that it happened. "I've really been struggling with it, to be honest. It has affected my mental health. She's shown no remorse, and it's given me anxiety." Not everyone is like that or could do what she did, but it has made me question people's motives and other friendships. I don't want anyone else to have to go through what we did. Sellars received a 21-month suspended sentence at Liverpool Crown Court in March 2018 after pleading guilty to 3 counts of burglary and 1 count of theft. She had earlier been found guilty of 1 further count of burglary in August 2017.